Do we notice anything different? Like, can we get an idea of what's different? Probably not, because I don't know. But I'm no longer gonna be filming on my phone. I'm no longer gonna be editing on my phone. So that is exciting. You know, I'm very thankful my husband, you know, helped me out with buying a new laptop. And, you know, I finally bought that. Don't mind this. You know, what we're gonna do is the time of the month. The time of the month decides to be nice to my skin, apparently. Maybe not. But yeah, he was very kind enough to help me out and buy me a laptop. Not just for, it's not really meant for me to edit my videos and stuff. It's more because of school that he bought me this laptop. So I will be obviously using it to edit my videos. I will no longer edit my videos on my phone, but like Wednesday's video, I did have to upload it. And as you're watching, today is Wednesday, so I have to upload it through my phone because I edited it through my computer, but apparently like the footage was just not saving onto the iMovie, and I edit on iMovie, so you know, yeah, so I'm currently uploading the video. As you could see, today we're gonna do legs again. I did legs and back and biceps yesterday because on Monday I was just not into it, like you guys saw in the previous video. If you saw it, if not, I will leave it right here so you can go ahead and watch it after this one. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned that I was gonna return my creatine and the guava pre-workout from Alani Nu because I hated both of them. Apparently you're supposed to drink hella water with creatine for your stomach not to hurt, and I'm not about that. I'm not with that. As it is, I already drink like 3 liters of water a day, so yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that I will be filming again on my camera, and I'm very excited. I missed filming on my camera because it does do 4K and I have more focus and control with it. With my phone, I really don't, and I enjoy listening to music while I do my lifting because it's very minimal lifting that I do here at home. And then obviously when I'm doing cardio, I enjoy watching my shows. So, you know, just recording myself working out and stuff on my camera is way better than now recording on my phone and, you know, going back and forth with what I was doing, like listening to music and or watching a show. So, with that being said, today I weighed myself. It was supposed to be my weekly check-in for my nutritionist. And I weigh 183, so I did go down 2 pounds. And yeah, I make ketosis very little. My biceps are really sore, so I don't know. But yeah, I am very happy about all these very minimal changes, but good changes. And I don't know how to act apparently, that I always rant. But yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say, but I'll check in with you guys later.
Late at night, I lie awake, just thinking about your pretty face.
So that's all for today. I hope y'all enjoyed Wednesday's workout. I am like really red and drenched in sweat. Today was intense. Today was very intense. I can't hear what I'm saying because I have the AirPods on. But before I started working out, my dog got a seizure. So, you know, I had taken pre-workout just when he got the seizures. So it was already hitting me. And then I got busy kind of watching him. So when I started working out, I worked out with like no pre-workout at all in my system. Like just a very tiny bit was in my system. But you know what? It was a great workout. I feel like I want to do more right now. But my legs, my glutes are... So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. Thursday concludes for shoulders and triceps. I had to work out with socks today because I washed my training shoes because they were really dirty and they smelled gross. So I washed them and they didn't dry in time. So barefoot today had to be, and honestly it was pretty cool. Like I would definitely do legs again barefoot. Sometimes when I do upper body I do it barefoot, but sometimes I'm scared because of the fact that que me puedo lastimar si me caigo una pesa en las patas. So you know. Okay, I'm gonna go shower, wash off, cool down, have my last meal, and we'll see you tomorrow. Can we take a moment that we could see my muscles and that I went up 15 pounds doing shoulder presses? I'm very proud of myself. Like, you go, girl. You did that shit. As well with Arnold presses, I could now do it with 15 pounds. Obviously, I can't do both arms at the same time, but you know, progress is progress, girl.
And if you only knew my plans, yeah, if you only knew who I am. Normally I'd break your heart, I'd love every minute, tear you apart. Late at night I lie awake, just thinking about your pretty face.
To mention before I get onto my workout, it is 5 p.m. Let me set you guys up here really quick. The angle is not great. I just burped, but it is 5 p.m. Quickly want to mention that I ended up hurting my elbow yesterday with triceps workouts, and I typically always hurt myself. Like, I overflex this, I lock my elbow, so I hurt myself doing the tricep workouts. So first things first, don't, you know, lock your elbows, your knees, when as well with squatting. You never... I'm recording on my phone really quick because I'm charging my camera meanwhile I work out. So if you guys aren't aware, I always record like my last sets when I'm already dying. So typically, let me show you guys with my phone. This, when you squat, and you go back up, you never want to lock. Like you see, I'm standing straight here. Never lock your knees, and it's the same with the elbow. You never want to lock it because you could injure yourself, and like I just injured myself yesterday. So with this elbow, to be specific, not with the other one, because I feel like this is more, I could lift more with this arm than this one. So I also need to balance this one out and work out this side a little bit more and show more love and affection to my right side. Even though I'm right-handed, I'm right side dominant. I don't know why, but this one is just stronger and I could lift more on this side, but I need to work on it on this one. So legs today. This camera is trippy, the way that you record here for iMovie, but I forgot to film an outro, and the one that I just filmed did not save. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Next week is the last week of the Darihana Novus Slim Thick Guide. And if you guys want to see anything in my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. And probably gonna be working out way earlier than I usually do. I usually always work out like at 5-6ish p.m. just because I like to work out at night. I have no idea why, but I love to work out at night. Much better, right? Yeah, much better than being in the dark. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. My makeup is all ugly and crusty because I was dripping in sweat. This is water activated eyeliners. But yeah, next week is week 4. I'm gonna start working out really early, I believe, because my dog decides to have seizures. He doesn't decide. He gets seizures, and he's been getting them almost every day. So they're just coming at random, and I just gotta be more alert with him with the seizures. So I feel like maybe me working out really early in the morning is just gonna be better, because he doesn't get them in the mornings. He usually gets them from like noon until nighttime. This has nothing to do with the video, but I've been struggling with that, like just being alert. Oh my god, my hair is a mess, and I just washed it yesterday, and now it's all gross and sweaty. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna either take a break from doing workout guides, or let me know if you guys know of any workout guides that you would like me to go ahead and check out, and I'll make a purchase and I'll do the review. Also, don't forget I will be filming a review on this guide. I know I have not done it properly, and I believe like I have not seen a lot of progress or changes in my body, but that has to do all with me, not with the guide, because I did not do my diet properly, and I did not obviously do the guide properly. So that's my thing. I really don't know if I want to continue on with the guide after or switch to a whole different one, because I really want to go ahead and continue with the guide and do it like the proper way, the correct way. But I don't know. I also want to film like how to turn, because I have a few that are for the gym, like those guides for the gym to at home. Maybe that would be a very cool video to film. So let me know if you guys would be interested in watching that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ryan Little.